Every business today is on a path to digitize its operations to make itself relevant in a competitive market. Whether you are offering loans, selling seeds, building infrastructure, solving issues, providing a customer experience, or managing a bunch of processes internally, going digital is the norm. Digitization enables speed, agility, and transparency to every business. At EFFORT, we believe in helping you go digital instantly, whatever be the process or workflow. With the EFFORT no-code DIY SaaS platform, you could configure applications in minutes based on your business requirements. From monitoring activities on field to managing an approval process, you could simply configure everything on EFFORT, and not just that, you could manage the app by yourself and optimize or make changes to the app based on your changing business needs without writing a single line of code.
Wide range of features include digitized customizable processes, seamless API integration, geointelligence, geofencing, real-time image capture, build rules for accessibility, digital data capture, real-time visibility, Google Data Studio and Power BI, raise service requests through multiple channels, phone, email, IoT devices. Sign up and start your free trial. Save time and improve your productivity with EFFORT.